Ever pondered over the intriguing concept of therianthropy and how to introduce it to your pre-kindergarten students? Therianthropy, the transformation into an animal, has been a captivating part of various cultures and tales throughout history. It's a concept that sparks creativity and imagination, inviting children to explore the fascinating realms of the animal kingdom in a unique, personal way. It allows them to step into the paws, claws, or fins of their favorite creatures. Intriguing, isn't it? So, how can we simplify this complex concept for our little learners? Let's find out. Teaching therianthropy to pre-kindergarten students might seem complicated, but it can be simplified. Start by breaking down the concept into manageable components. A great way to do this is through animal stories. These narratives can introduce the idea of humans transforming into animals. Role plays are another fun and interactive method to explore therianthropy. And don't forget about creative art projects where children can visually express their understanding of the concept. With these simple methods, you can bring the concept of therianthropy alive in your classroom. But why should we teach therianthropy to pre-kindergarten students, you may ask? Well, introducing therianthropy to young minds has myriad benefits. It fosters creativity, allowing children to imagine themselves as different animals, enhancing their imaginative thinking. Furthermore, it encourages empathy towards animals, teaching our young ones to respect and care for all living beings. Moreover, it opens up a gateway to cultural tales and myths, enriching their knowledge of the world. Teaching therianthropy to pre-kindergarten students not only enhances their creativity, but also broadens their understanding of the world. To recap, teaching therianthropy to pre-kindergarten students can be a worthwhile endeavor. We've explored what therianthropy is, the mythological ability of humans to metamorphose into animals. We've discussed methods to simplify this intriguing concept for our young learners like storytelling and roleplay. We've also highlighted its importance in fostering imagination and understanding diverse cultures. With the right approach and a dash of creativity, you can make therianthropy an exciting and educational experience for your young students.